3/8/2021. Is it here? Yes, it is. Square. Let me just tell you the moving averages that we're coming down to. It's a 150-day moving average where Square tested. Square broke below another key moving average, which was a 100-day moving average, the one right here today, where it sold down below it, as it did. Now, I'm going to set an alert on Square. Now, let us not forget one thing. Square is invested heavily now in Bitcoin, and it is. If you take a look at where the sell down in Square right here, let's just call it 252, down to these lows today, which were, believe it or not, 201. Okay, and the high was 221.63. So, with that reversal in play, and the daily sell signal is minus 6.6, the stochastic is not on sale. It is cheap for this stock. It's at 11.7 on that percent K. That's retail chart. So now let's just set some alerts, because the business model is not changing on Square, but we're going to set it right below that moving average right there at that price. And we're going to set these two alerts on Square, and then we're going to go to Square on what? Weekly. And I already have these alerts that are set there, and just how about that? This is where the breakout started on Square back on 11/22 of 2020. November 22nd, I remember it. And we gapped up, we ran, and then we peaked. And it was in the Bitcoin, and still is. And it's pulled back to support on the weekly. And that weekly stochastic is right about where it should be. If we take a look at a 1 month daily, we're testing here. Let's do this so you can see it clearly. I don't want that in your way. That moving average right there is a 150-month moving average, which is real significant on a 1 month daily candles, that is. So if we go to, let's say, a 1 year on monthly candles, so when we take a look at 1 year on the monthly candles, this is going to be the biggest support level. And this is what investors need to learn and need to be taught. Option Trading Room. Join the free 5-day trial. We cover so many different subjects that you would need to know. So this is going to be the key monthly moving average. Now this is 1 year monthly candles, so it's 12 of them. And we can see we're sitting right there. And what we go by is this bar. We take half of that monthly bar. That's going to be that support level, okay? And that's where that big breakout started. And it started on 11/1 in that calendar month of 2020, as we all know it. And what the markets and how sentiment was, that was a different period of time. Now we're in this period of time, March 8th, 2021. And Square still has a decent monthly buy signal. But remember, it's 1 year monthly. So this is where the ultimate support level will be, right above that monthly moving average. And that monthly moving average right there is very significant. It's a yearly 1 month moving average, 10-month moving average. We're going to set an alert right there based on that. And then there are some other factors that go into play with Square. But we're looking for deals, okay, where they're going to really bounce off of support levels. And that's exactly why you want to take the free 5-day trial, to be able to get these trades. Square, major support, monthly chart.